What if you could build your own smart weather dashboard without writing a single line of code? This is my ePaper weather dashboard, built using the XIAO ePaper display kit EE05, a 4.26-inch ePaper display, SenseCraft HMI platform, and a custom 3D printed enclosure. In this video, I'll show you the complete process, from connecting the display and flashing the firmware, to designing the dashboard, connecting it to SenseCraft HMI, and finally turning the electronics into a complete product. Let's get started. The project is built around the XIAO ePaper Display Board EE05, powered by the XIAO ESP32-S3 Plus. Along with the display board, we have a compatible 24-pin ePaper display and a custom 3D printed enclosure that I designed for this project. The EE05 is designed specifically for ePaper applications and supports compatible 24-pin ePaper displays. It also provides a battery connector with a power switch, user buttons, USB Type-C connectivity, and extension I/O for connecting additional sensors and peripherals. But the most interesting part for this project is its integration with SenseCraft HMI. SenseCraft HMI allows us to create and deploy display interfaces using a no-code workflow, so we can focus on the design and functionality without having to develop the entire display interface from scratch. Let's start by connecting the hardware. First, we need to connect the ePaper display to the EE05 board. The display uses a 24-pin FPC connection. Carefully insert the FPC cable into the connector and make sure it is properly aligned before locking the connector in place. Be careful not to force the cable or connector, because the FPC is delicate. Once the display is connected, connect the EE05 to your computer using a USB Type-C cable. Now let's move to the software side. This is SenseCraft HMI, a cloud-based no-code platform designed for creating and deploying interfaces for compatible ePaper displays. The platform provides tools for designing dashboards, working with templates, integrating data, managing devices, and deploying designs directly to the hardware. So before we configure our dashboard, let's first sign in. Open SenseCraft HMI and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one and then log in. Once you're inside the platform, you'll have access to your workspace where you can manage your designs and connected devices. Before connecting the device to SenseCraft HMI, we first need to make sure the correct firmware is installed on the EE05. For this, SenseCraft provides a dedicated web-based firmware flasher. You can access it from the SenseCraft HMI firmware flasher page. Connect the EE05 to your computer and open the firmware flasher. Click Select and choose the appropriate device. Then select the available firmware and start the flashing process. For a regular firmware update, you can use the standard flash option. If you want to completely reset the device and start from a fresh state, you can use the full flash option. During the flashing process, make sure the USB connection remains stable. Do not disconnect the device or close the browser until the process is finished. Once the firmware has been successfully installed, we can move on to connecting the device to SenseCraft HMI. After the device boots, it will provide the information required for network configuration. Here, we can use the QR code displayed on the ePaper screen to open the Wi-Fi manager. Simply scan the QR code using your phone. This will open the Wi-Fi configuration page. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect the device to the network. Once the device is connected to Wi-Fi, we can pair it with our SenseCraft HMI account. Return to SenseCraft HMI and follow the device setup process to add the EE05 to your account. Once the pairing is complete, the device will appear in your SenseCraft workspace. Now comes my favorite part, designing the dashboard. This is the weather dashboard interface that I created using SenseCraft HMI. The main section displays the current weather condition and temperature. Below that, we have humidity, wind speed, rainfall, and feels like temperature. On the right side, I've added the current time, date, day, additional environmental information, and battery status. The great thing about this workflow is that we can create and modify the interface visually, instead of rewriting the firmware every time we want to change the design. Once the dashboard design is ready, we can deploy it directly to the connected device. Select the design, choose the target device, and apply the design. The configuration is then sent to the ePaper display over Wi-Fi. And there it is. Our weather dashboard is now running on the physical ePaper display. At this point, the electronics are working perfectly, but there is still one problem. It looks like a development prototype. So now let's turn it into a proper product. For this project, I designed a custom 3D printed enclosure specifically for the display and electronics. The enclosure consists of the front frame, the rear housing, and the internal mounting structure. The goal was to keep the display clean from the front while securely holding the electronics inside. Now let's put everything together. First, position the ePaper display inside the front frame, then place the EE05 board behind the display and align it with the mounting points. Make sure the FPC cable is routed properly and isn't sharply bent or pinched. Once everything is aligned, carefully close the rear section of the enclosure. And now the transformation is complete. What started as an ePaper display and a development board is now a complete smart weather dashboard. The custom enclosure makes a huge difference. It gives the electronics a clean and compact form and makes the project feel much more like a finished product. But this isn't limited to a weather dashboard. The same setup can be used for many different applications. For example, you could build a smart home dashboard showing weather information, calendar events, notifications, and information from other smart devices. You could also use it for energy monitoring, displaying power consumption, and other electrical information. And that's how I turned the EE05 ePaper display kit into this complete smart weather dashboard. What I really like about this setup is how quickly you can go from hardware to a functional interface without building the entire software stack from scratch. The EE05 provides the hardware, SenseCraft HMI provides the no-code design and deployment workflow, and with a custom enclosure, we can take the project from a development prototype to something that actually looks like a finished product. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you would build with an ePaper display. And if you want to see more projects involving robotics, AI, IoT, embedded systems, and smart hardware, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.